Hello friends, in this video, I will show you how to forward messages using Junction bot, the most popular content automation system in Telegram. We will also learn how to use filters and replacements when forwarding. I want to forward messages from the Trading Signals channel to my channel, Trading Signals New. The Trading Signals channel is a private channel. This means only users who have been added or invited can enter it. I am a member of this channel, and by connecting Junction bot to my account, I can forward messages from it. From now on, we will refer to this channel as the source. You can tell if a source is private by the presence of links to it. Open the profile and check if there is a public link. If there is no such link, the channel might still have an invite link that isn't visible in the profile, but through which users are added to the channel. If you don't have either of these links, we call such a channel closed, private. Note that if channel administrators monitor who joins via the invite link, they can ban our bot from the channel as well. However, the bot can still work with such sources on behalf of your account. The account connection feature exists for this purpose. We will talk about it now. So we decided to set up copying from a private channel. For this, we will need the Direct or Expert bundle. These bundles support account connection. They ensure maximum delivery speed and work with any sources, including other bots and even personal folders. Let's open the mini app and take a demo of Direct. Now let's connect the account. The account on which you open and control the bot is called the managing account. The account whose phone number you send to the bot and where your sources are located is called the connected account. It is important to remember here that this can be the same account or different ones. The main requirement is that the messages you intend to process must be accessible from the connected account. Enter the phone number of the connected account, find the code that arrived in the Telegram service chat, and send it to the bot. Don't forget to add a space. Your data is stored on secure servers located not far from Telegram's own servers. The entire bot operation process is automated and no employees have access to your account. You can read more about our security system and find answers to potential questions in the article at this link. The account is connected. On the connected account, the bot has created a service channel that will be used to optimize forwarding. There is no need to delete it or change its settings. It is convenient to archive it immediately. Let me remind you that if you need forwarding from public sources, the account connection step can be skipped. So the Trading Signals New channel is a channel that I created. From now on, I will call this channel the destination. The connected account must have posting rights in this channel. Posting on behalf of the bot is also possible. Let's get started. First, you need to go to the chat with the bot itself and click the menu button. We are now in the Junction bot application itself. Click the Create button. We are taken to the source selection screen. Here in the search, you need to select the source from where messages will come. To do this, I type in the source Trading Signals. Let me remind you that if you have Economy or Express bundles and your account is not connected to the bot, this screen will look a little different for you. There will be no list of your chats, but only a line to enter the channel link. Next, we get to the destination selection screen. Here in the search, you need to select the destination, and that is where the messages will arrive. I want to receive messages in the Trading Signals New channel. Excellent. Now we are on the main settings screen. It shows the source, where messages will be forwarded from, and the destination, where messages will be forwarded to. Below, let's select the forwarding type. What is the forwarding type? It determines which messages will be forwarded to the destination. You can forward new messages and old messages. What are new messages? Imagine you have set up a forwarding rule. All fresh messages published in the source will arrive instantly in your destination. These are new messages. If we select old messages here, we will start copying old messages that were already in the source before the forwarding was set up. Not necessarily all of them. We can select only those we need. This is useful for creating backups of materials from a channel if you might lose access to the channel, for example. Let's select Forward New Messages. Next, we move to the delivery mode. The delivery mode determines on whose behalf and how messages will be published in our destination channel on behalf of the bot or on behalf of the connected account. I select Copy via Account. Moving on to the next option, Replace Source Links. The bot will replace all links to the original channel and messages within it with links to your new channel, creating a full mirror of the source channel. This is very convenient if you want to be sure that the source of the original message will not be revealed. This option is available only on the Expert bundle. Let's switch to Expert and apply this option. Now click on the Create button. Excellent, the forwarding rule is created. We are on the forwarding settings screen. Once again, we check the source from where messages are forwarded, the destination where messages are forwarded to, and the forwarding settings. In the top line, Copying New, we see a green circle. This means forwarding is working. If a post appears in the Trading Signals channel right now, exactly the same post will appear in our Trading Signals new channel within a few seconds. And here it is. As you can see, the post is copied exactly and published on behalf of the account. Notice how quickly the messages arrive. In most cases, delivery is instantaneous. Delays can only be caused by delays in Telegram itself or media file processing. And here is another post. And you know what? Perhaps the second post interests me much more than the first one because it contains valuable information for me. This token. I want to buy several tokens to sell later at a better price. Perhaps I want to receive only posts with tokens, but ones like these don't interest me. I can easily set this up using filters. Let's return to the mini app. We immediately see our forwarding rule. The forwarding status is on. Click on it and get into the settings. Search for filter among the settings. Here it is. Junction bot supports many different filters: text, time, reactions, and others. Let's create a filter allowing only messages with a token of the format we need. Select by regular expression and enter the regular expression in the drop-down menu. This regular expression means that only messages containing a token of this type will arrive at our destination. That is, a combination of digits and letters of the Latin alphabet in any case, with a token length of either 32 or 44 characters. We are interested in exactly these. Let's test. A message without a token arrived in Trading Signals. It was not forwarded to Trading Signals New. The filter works correctly. Then a message with a token arrived in Trading Signals. This message was instantly forwarded to Trading Signals New. Investors and traders use regex filters to instantly process a huge flow of data, cutting off information noise and receiving only relevant events and trading signals. Excellent. Now only the messages we need arrive in our channel. Look, there is something else I would like to fix. These links in the posts. I would like the messages to have no third-party links at all. To do this, I go into Settings again. I look for replacements. Here they are. Click the Create New Replacement button. We will need a replacement with a regular expression because we are removing not specific links, but absolutely all of them. In the source field, enter a regular expression denoting any link. Check the RE, regular expression, box. Leave the new value empty. Let's test. So we have set up forwarding where we will receive only messages with tokens. And if the source messages have links, they will not get to our destination. Note that by default, when a message is deleted in the source, it will not be deleted in the destination. To maintain content relevance in our channel, for example, if it is a job vacancy or an ad, and avoid publishing outdated information, set up Delete Synchronization. Then, if a message is deleted in the source, for example, the vacancy is closed, it will automatically be deleted in our channel too. Let's turn on Delete Synchronization. To do this, open the Sync Deletion setting and select Yes. I'll show you another useful setting, Sync Edits. By default, if a message is edited in the source, it is also edited in the destination. But sometimes it is important to see the entire history of message changes in the source. For example, to understand if the author is manipulating signals by changing them retroactively. In the mode I just turned on, messages will not be edited in the destination, and all changes to original messages will arrive in the destination as new messages. Now let's look at another interesting option, Copy to Google Drive. It is useful if you want texts or media files to be copied to your cloud drive. Suppose we choose to copy only media to the drive. Then we will have an additional option. Do not copy anything to destination. If we check this box here, the media we selected, pictures or videos, will be forwarded only to Google Drive. That is, essentially, it will be forwarding from the source to Google Drive. We won't change anything here for now. So everything is set up as we want, but let's say we want to create another forwarding rule with exactly the same settings and filters but from a different source. To do this, simply clone the forwarding rule by specifying a new source. Now posts from 2 different channels arrive in our Trading Signals new channel. But what if I need to set up forwarding from a bunch of channels at once? I'll show you a very powerful function just for such tasks, copying from folders. Look, I have a folder with many channels that I want to analyze. Creating forwarding rules and filters for all of them would take a lot of time. But fortunately, I can create forwarding immediately from the entire folder, even if there are several hundred channels there. This significantly saves time and simplifies monitoring, eliminating routine work. Done. Now messages from all channels in the folder Crypto will be forwarded to our Trading Signals new channel, and by applying the necessary filters to the folder forwarding, I can receive the messages I need from all these channels at once. Remember that if you have many forwarding rules, it is convenient to use the full-size web application. To do this, opening the application from a computer, select the Web App option in the main menu. The full-size version of the application will open in your default browser. We have just been working with forwarding rules using our connected account as the message source. In this way, you can connect as many accounts as you like. This may be needed to bypass Telegram's limit of 500 subscriptions per account, or if you simply need to collect messages from chats or publish to chats available on different accounts. To connect another account, let's go to the My Account section and buy another direct bundle. One bundle allows you to connect one account. On this screen, you see the calculation of the upgrade cost. Remember that when connecting more than 5 accounts, the cost of each subsequent one is only €2. So I showed you how to set up forwarding and how to use some basic settings. I hope this was useful. As you probably noticed, Junction Bot has a huge number of other capabilities for message processing, for example, processing using artificial intelligence. We will talk about these capabilities in future videos. Since 2017, we have been constantly improving Junction Bot, quickly adapting it to Telegram changes. This means you always get uninterrupted service operation and support for the latest features of Telegram itself. Message delivery is carried out reliably and predictably. And in case of questions, you can always use the rich functionality for debugging forwarding rules or contact our professional support. Enjoy using it.